This is my drawing of Santa Claus, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page, draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So just come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small circle along the top of each eye for highlight. And it'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now with the eyes in place, let's move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw a half circle, coming down and then up. Now let's move up and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Let's go to the side of the nose and draw the mustache. We're going to start with the left. We're going to go out, bend this down, and then curl that up towards the end. Now let's take that shape and flip it over on the right, and doing the exact same thing. Now I want to pull the mustache in underneath the nose towards a point. So come down, bend that up, come down towards the right, and then curl that up. Now in the center, we're going to draw a half oval for the mouth, coming down and up. Add a curve in the center for the tongue. And we'll fill the top of the mouth in black. Now we're going to move up and draw the bottom edge of the hat. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve this up above the eyes, go across, and then down. Let's round up the side of the hat. Bend this out and back in. Let's close off the top of the hat with another curve. We go up and then bend that all the way down towards the right. Now just up above the eyes, along the top of the hat brim, we're going to add the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve. We're going to go up and in, go out and then down. And I want to round up the ends of the eyebrow. So just going to round this out on the inside. Bend this out and then down, and then round out the end. Now we want to draw the inside edge of the beard. We're going to start on the top, curve this around the eye, and then in underneath the mustache. Let's go onto the side of the hat brim and draw the beard. Start with the left. Bend this down and out. I'm just going to bend this in towards the center and then pull that down towards a point. Let's go to the right and do the same thing. Going out in the opposite direction, in and then down. Let's add in the ears. From here, bend this up and then back in. And we'll add a fold across the top. Now I want to flop the hat over towards the right side. So let's start on the left side of the hat. We're going to go up, bend this across, and then bend that down towards the right side of the head. And then on the end, we're going to draw a large circle. Let's go up to the top right side of the hat brim, add a fold. We're going to go up and then in. Go back to this ball, step in, taper this in behind the side of the hat. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start underneath the head on the left side, bend the body going out and then down towards the hip. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down, across, and then up. Now we're going to add that fur across the bottom of the coat. On the left side, bend this out and then in. And then again, we're just going to connect the ends with another curve. Let's move up and draw the top of the belt. Starting on the left, bend this down, across, and then up. Now you leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. Draw a straight line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. And then you want to trace the inside of the buckle with a rectangle. From the top of the buckle, let's step in, draw two straight lines going up underneath the head. Now let's draw the left arm along the side of the body. We're going to start from the left side, then the arm going out and then down. Draw a half circle coming in and then out across the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to draw the hand coming all the way around and then up along the outside. Let's blend this into the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Let's separate the cuff. From the top of the thumb, bend this up and then out. Step up and draw that again. Now over on the right side, we're going to draw the arm holding the bag. So let's start again on the side of the body, then the arm going around the elbow, up toward the face, curl the hand coming around and then up on the end. Now on the inside, let's add the thumb with a small half circle. Let's draw the end of the bag underneath the hand, coming down and out on both sides. And we'll connect the end with a wave, coming up and then out. Now I want to separate the cuff from the hand, going out and then up, and then add a curve from the hand coming down. Let's draw the top of the bag. From the top of the hand, then it's up and in behind the head. Now we're going to go back and finish off the legs. In the center, let's add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. Coming down and up, and then do the exact same thing on the right. Now from the left side, let's curve the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down toward the inside, and then just curl that up toward the inside of the leg. Let's go back up underneath the body. We're going to curl the leg, coming down and then in on top of the feet. And then we'll add that trim across the bottom, just up above the foot. Bend this in and then down. Now I'm going to go back and add a thick sole across the bottom of the foot. So let's take this curve, step up from the toe, and trace that across towards the heel, and then from heel to toe. Now that we've completed the body, let's layer the bag in behind. We're going to start from the left side of the head, curl this all the way around the arm, pull that in toward the foot. And I want to go in between and then back up underneath the arm. And it'll stand out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Santa Claus. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.